Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so look, it's like I said down here, I wrote the same thing yesterday as I wrote the day before, and we're just, continuing to edge to the upside now. Today, they're bringing it in a little bit, but what I will tell you is the bears are just noise above the 9-day. They're just noise. They're just kind of flopping around and making noise and doing whatever. And until they can convert that 9-day, these dips are going to get bought. They came in last night, 50-51, and they brought it back up to the hourly mid-band. Let's look at the hourly chart. So they come down here, they deal with 50. 75 is an area we have been looking at all night, and we caught a little bit of that down. I caught it. I don't think anybody in the room caught it. I caught it because I couldn't sleep last night. I just happened to be awake at 3 o'clock, and I caught it. What we're looking at now, though, and sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. If you haven't figured that out as a trader yet, you will. You see the hourly mid-band here. After retail sales and non-farm productivity, they were kind of walking it up there to begin with and went ahead and it kissed 70. You got the daily pivot up there, 69, 67. We went ahead and we put that in as a bull bear line, and we went ahead and we shorted against it. So right now we're short the 67, 68 area. We'll see how this goes. If they can hold this as resistance, and bring it down and back and test 50 and somehow get below the 9-day and break it, then you're in a situation where, they can progress to the downside a little bit. But like I mentioned right at the top of the video, the bears are noise above the 9-day. They have to convert an area that matters on a closing basis and then sustain that area on a multi-day basis. And if they can do that, then you're in a situation where they can, they can work towards weekly pivot maybe next week. I don't think it's going to happen this week. And, we can end up in a little bit more of a two-sided market than we're in right now. That's really all they can do. So key areas off the open. Proprietary moving average is at 60. Volume weighted average price 64. 5-minute mid-band, call it 64.5. We talked about hourly mid 69. Daily pivot 70. So this whole 60 to 70 area is a chunk of price that's going to have to get dealt with, long above, short below, and we'll go from there. Everybody have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.